Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the looping statement in C++. Say suppose someone asks you to write 5 times hello world on the screen, so you can do this work or job in that manner. Hello world and just copy paste hello world 5 times. You just write hello world one time and then copy paste it 4 times. So this is writing hello world 5 times. But say suppose just compile this file and see the output g++ loop 1 dot cpp. Okay, and compile this file and run this file. See 5 times hello world. But say someone asks you to write hello world on the screen 500 times, then this process is not grateful or it's not preferable to for doing that. Okay, so what we can do, we can use the looping statement. That means we can use for loop and while loop. So how we can use these loops? So let's see. uh, if we want to use any type of loop, then we need to have any type of counter variable, so that we can use the loop. Okay, so I have need a variable int I equals to 0. Then I need to, how many times I need the loop will run. So I need loop will run 5 times to print hello world 5 times. Okay, and then I need to increment the loop variable and just see out hello world. Okay, so what this block of code will do? This block of code will print hello world 5 times. So let's see. So just compile the file again and see what is the output. Hello world 5 times. So okay, initially what is the value of 0? Value of I. So initially the value of I is 0 for the first time. After first iteration, the value of I will be incremented and it will be 1. And after that the value of I will be 2. After that value of I will be 3. After that 4. So 5 times hello world printed. After that value of I will be 5. Is 5 less than 5? So the after 5 times the iteration, after 5 iteration, the condition is 5 less than 5. Is it true? No, this statement is not true. 5 is not less than 5. So loop will stop. Okay, so this is the hello world. How to print hello world 5 times. Okay, so let's see another example. You can do also in that way. 5 I greater than equals to 0, greater than 0, and I minus minus. In that case the variable will start from 5 and it go till 1. Okay, so just compile this file g++ loop1.cpp and just run this file. See 5 times hello world. Okay, okay, just print the value of I in that case. See out value of I is, just print the value of I and so just compile this file and see the output. So see, first time the value of I is 5, after that 4, it is decremented by 1. Okay, it till go till 1. Okay, after the 1 the value of I will be 0 and 0 is greater than 0, obviously not. So the loop will stop. Okay, so see for previous case what is the value for I is 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. Just compile this file and run the file. Okay, for I0 I plus, okay, I think for int I equals to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. So why it is not giving any type of output? I don't know. Just compile this again and check where is the error. the value of I is 0 for first time, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that's all. Okay, so we can also use while loop. In while loop, we need to declare the use the while loop in that way. Okay, for we have to declare the variable before using it. So okay, while int I equals to 0, then we need to use while keyword while I less than 5, then just write cout and hello world, and we just need to write I equals to I plus 1. Okay, so just compile this file. So serious and just run this. See hello world 5 times. We can use another shortcut for this line I equals to I plus 1. We can use increment operators. Okay, so just see both will work in same manner. I plus equals to 1, I equals to I plus 1 and I plus plus. So just compile this file. Hello world, the output is not changed. Okay, so we can use for loop for pattern to make patterns. Okay, so we will make one pattern in this video, and we will learn more about patterns in our upcoming videos. Okay, so just draw a pattern. So okay, we will draw a pattern like that. Okay, just draw a pattern. The pattern must be look like this. Okay, so we will write a program to draw a pattern like that. Okay, so just start doing program. So I declare a variable int equals to, say suppose 4. The total number of rows in our pattern will be 4. Okay, so just write the program. We need to use for int I equals to 0 to I less than equals to 4 less than 4 and I plus plus. We need to write another for loop to print the pattern for each time. So okay, so for int j equals to 0, j less than equals to I and j plus plus, and just cout asterisk cout end line. Okay, so just compile this file. See what is the output. If we change the value of n, the pattern size will be changed. Just compile the file. Okay, I don't think, okay, sorry, here I need to use n instead of 4. Just compile this file once and see value of n is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, you can take also input from the user. So change this program, cout, enter the value of n, take the input from user, and okay, so just clear, compile this file. See, suppose I give the user 10. See, the pattern should be look like this. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please share this video with your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.